I'm John. Welcome to another food review. Today I'm at Taco Bell to, of course, try the new Quesalupa. It's offered in steak, beef, and chicken, just like most of everything they sell there. It comes at this location in this gold wrapper. I've seen other people review it and they actually have wrappers that say Quesalupa on them. But I kind of do like the presentation of a gold wrapper. So open up the gold wrapper and it comes in this cardboard sleeve. It says the cheese lover's shell on one side. It says new Quesalupa on the other side. And it looks like it feels like a fried shell, like a chalupa shell would be. Excuse you. You got lettuce, tomato, and cheese on top. Their regular seasoned beef in the middle. And hopefully when I bite into this, I'll get a lot of cheese inside of the shell, because the cheese lover shell. Don't think I got any cheese in the shell yet. Maybe it's just like all in the middle of it. We gotta just go further into it to taste it. Okay, here we go. There's some. I just broke into the part that has the cheese in it now. And you can see a little stretchy cheese coming out now. I'm going to move the wrapper to my lap because a lot of this is going to fall out. Okay, the wrapper to the lap. Now let's go in to where I'm hoping a lot more cheese will be. Okay, so what appears is that like the cheese is confined to like this pocket here. So you need to go like 1.5 bites in from the end and about a full bite down till you reach the cheese compartment of the Quesalupa. It's got sour cream on it too. Okay, so is the Quesalupa good? I'd say it's okay. It tastes like if you order a regular chalupa and in a very specific region, it had some melted white cheese in it. Would I call it a cheese lover's shell? No. They have like the double wrapped ones that have cheese between them, and those seem to, I think at least in my mind, have more cheese in them throughout. But is it bad? By all means, no. If you're a fan of the chalupas, like deep fried, crunchy, browned up kind of crust, then you'll like this one. If you're going to try one of these because you want something epically cheesy, I would say you're going to be disappointed by the Quesalupa. That being said, it doesn't taste bad, it's just kind of disappointing. And that way, my rating scale, I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of 10. Just because of the disappointment I was expecting for it to be called the cheese lovers and the you see the picture and it's like cracked in half, and there's like 3 inches of stretched out melty cheese, and it's coming from the tip to the bottom. But in all actuality, it's just a really small area inside of the shell that actually has cheese in it. Would I buy this again? Probably not. Too much other stuff on the menu that I prefer more. If someone handed me a Quesalupa, would I say no thank you? No, I'd take it. If they were out of everything and I was hungry, I'd buy it. But like I said, plenty of other things in the menu I like more. The novelty of this just doesn't reach its potential, I would say. But it's not bad. Now, they also were on the menu, had a new freeze, and it is the Rockstar freeze. I'm not sure how new it is. It said new on there. Might just mean it's their newest flavor. Now, I must tell you, I'm not a fan of most energy drinks, but since it's new, I thought I would give this one a shot. And let's give it a try. Okay, it doesn't have that like medicine flavor that a lot of energy drinks have. Yeah, this is good. If it was not labeled Rockstar, I would have never thought energy drink at all. It's got a nice, like, I want to say cherry flavor. It's almost like, did they fool me and give me the Starburst cherry one? Let me check the receipt. And then the receipt says Rockstar Punch Freeze. Well, if that's the case, it's a really good job. Now that thinking about it, it does taste more like fruit punch than cherry, because it has like a soury, almost pineapple mixed with cherry flavor that fruit punch tends to taste like. It's really good. My favorite is still the pink strawberry Starburst freezes, just because it tastes so much authentically like Starburst. But this one's going to come in a close second. I'm going to have to give this an 8.5 out of 10. Would purchase again, especially because, you know, often the time is they're missing one of the flavors of freezes. One of the machines isn't down or hasn't frozen yet. So it's good to have a backup. So anyway, go ahead and try the Quesalupa. It's decent enough to give it a try. But if they have the Rockstar Fruit Punch, definitely give it a try. Even if you're not a fan of like energy drinks like me, it's still, the Fruit Punch flavor is really good. And with that, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Sirius right here is going to have to say goodbye. And we'll see you next time.